We all dream of a car that just keeps going, a vehicle so reliable that no matter how many miles you put on it, it keeps running like the day you drove it off the lot. These are the million-mile legends, the cars that owners swear by and refuse to sell, no matter how many years pass. In 2025, some cars have proven themselves time and time again, not through fancy features or flashy designs, but through sheer reliability, durability, and mechanical genius. Mechanics, car enthusiasts, and everyday drivers all agree. These vehicles are the ultimate long-term investments. In this video, we're diving into 10 cars that refuse to die even after 500,000 miles. From engines that barely wear down to components that last a lifetime, these cars show the true meaning of dependability. Watch closely till the end, because the final car on our list has an almost mythical reputation among owners, and its story will blow your mind. If you're looking for a car that will last a lifetime, this is one video you don't want to miss. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is the ultimate SUV for longevity. Known for its bulletproof engine, rugged body-on-frame construction, and simple yet reliable mechanics, it can easily surpass 500,000 miles with proper maintenance. Owners report that even vehicles with over 400,000 miles rarely need major engine work. Its off-road capability doesn't compromise reliability, making it popular in extreme climates. Worldwide maintenance is straightforward, and replacement parts are widely available. This is why many owners hold on to their Land Cruisers for decades. While it may seem expensive up front, the long-term value and durability far outweigh the initial cost. And it's no wonder mechanics often refer to it as the car that refuses to die. Number 2, Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is legendary for its reliability and longevity. Engines in older models run smoothly for decades, and with proper oil changes and timing belt maintenance, hitting 300,000 to 500,000 miles isn't uncommon. Its transmissions are durable, and parts are inexpensive and easy to source. Even interior components hold up better than many competitors, making it an ideal choice for long-term ownership. Drivers consistently report minimal breakdowns and exceptional fuel efficiency, even at high mileage. The Accord's reputation as a practical, long-lasting sedan makes it a favorite among mechanics and everyday drivers alike. If you want a car that won't quit on you, the Accord is a top contender. Number 3, Toyota Camry. Much like the Accord, the Toyota Camry is a sedan built to last. Its 4-cylinder and V6 engines are known to go well beyond 300,000 miles without major repairs. Owners praise its low maintenance costs, dependable transmissions, and rust-resistant body, which keeps it on the road for decades. Regular oil changes and fluid checks are all that's usually needed to maintain this car's longevity. Even older Camrys maintain strong resale value because people know they're getting a vehicle that refuses to die. From daily commutes to long road trips, the Camry has earned its place as one of the most trusted cars in the world. Number 4. Lexus LS. The Lexus LS may look like a luxury car, but beneath the plush interior lies rock-solid engineering borrowed from Toyota. Its engines and transmissions are designed to last hundreds of thousands of miles, and the ride quality barely declines with age. Owners report vehicles surpassing 400,000 miles with only standard maintenance. Lexus parts are high quality, and the car is built to withstand extreme conditions without faltering. While luxury cars are often seen as high maintenance, the LS is a million-mile legend that defies expectations. For those who want luxury and longevity, few vehicles come close. Number 5. Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma is a compact pickup built like a tank. Its 4-cylinder and V6 engines are extremely durable, and the body-on-frame design makes it resistant to rust and wear. Owners frequently report trucks hitting 300,000 to 500,000 miles, even with off-road use. Its transmissions, axles, and drivetrain components are renowned for their longevity. Maintenance is simple, parts are plentiful, and the resale value remains strong because people know this truck will last decades. The Tacoma has earned a reputation as one of the hardest-working, longest-lasting trucks in the world, and mechanics often call it a forever vehicle. Number 6, Ford F-150. older models. The Ford F-150 is a true workhorse, especially the older models from the early 2000s. These trucks are known for durable engines, strong frames, and robust transmissions. With proper maintenance, F-150s regularly surpass 400,000 miles. Parts are widely available, and repairs are relatively straightforward, which contributes to their longevity. Owners also report that the truck's suspension and drivetrain hold up remarkably well even under heavy loads. While newer models focus on tech and fuel efficiency, older F-150s are prized for being simple, reliable, and built to last, making them a favorite for those seeking a truck that refuses to quit. Number 7. Chevrolet Silverado 1500, pre-2015 models. The Silverado 1500 is a durable American pickup that can handle heavy use for decades. Pre-2015 models are especially known for their longevity, with engines and transmissions capable of 400,000 plus miles. Body and frame rust is minimal if maintained, and replacement parts are plentiful and affordable. Owners often use these trucks for towing and hauling, yet they keep running strong. Regular oil changes, coolant checks, and brake maintenance are all it takes for anyone looking for a reliable truck that stands the test of time. The Silverado 1500 remains a top choice, earning a reputation as a true million-mile legend. Number 8. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is famous for longevity, especially in models equipped with the naturally aspirated flat-four engines. Its AWD system and durable drivetrain make it ideal for challenging climates. With consistent maintenance, owners report vehicles exceeding 300,000 miles without major repairs. Subaru parts are widely available, and many drivers swear by the Outback's ability to handle decades of use. While the turbo engines require more care, the standard models are virtually indestructible. The Outback is not only versatile and practical, but also a vehicle that refuses to die, making it a favorite among adventurers and commuters alike. Number 9. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is one of the most reliable compact cars ever made. Its engines are efficient, transmissions are strong, and routine maintenance is inexpensive. Many Civics reach 300,000 to 500,000 miles, and owners report minimal mechanical problems. Its fuel efficiency holds up even with high mileage, and interior components age gracefully. Replacement parts are cheap and easy to find, making repairs straightforward. The Civic's combination of longevity, affordability, and low maintenance makes it one of the most sought-after million-mile cars in the world, and it consistently earns top marks from mechanics and drivers alike. Number 10. Toyota Tundra. The Toyota Tundra is legendary for durability, especially the 2007 to 2013 models. Its V8 engines are nearly indestructible, and the transmission rarely fails when maintained. Owners report trucks surpassing 500,000 miles without major engine repairs. The body-on-frame construction and corrosion-resistant materials help the truck withstand harsh conditions. Parts are abundant, and maintenance is relatively straightforward, adding to the truck's appeal. For anyone seeking a pickup that can literally last a lifetime, the Tundra is a top-tier choice. It's no wonder many owners hold on to these trucks for decades, cementing its status as a true million-mile legend. And there you have it. 10 cars that refuse to die, even after 500,000 miles. These vehicles aren't just reliable, they're legendary for their ability to outlast almost every competitor on the road. Whether it's a rugged pickup, a dependable sedan, or a luxury vehicle built to endure, these cars prove that with proper care, longevity is absolutely achievable. If you're tired of cars that constantly break down, these million-mile legends are your roadmap to stress-free ownership. Choosing a reliable vehicle doesn't just save money on repairs, it also keeps you on the road safely and confidently for decades. If this video helped you discover which cars truly last, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss expert advice on buying cars that last a lifetime. Car Care Nest is here to help you buy smarter, maintain better, and drive longer. Stay tuned for more videos uncovering the hidden truths about cars that owners swear by.